everyone, welcome to TM Family Cooking. Today we will make a kimbap. In Korean, kim means seaweed and bap means rice. Yummy vegetable and meat are wrapped in rice and seaweed. It is very simple and good finger food for picnic and lunchbox. I will show you the standard recipe for kimbap. Let's look at the ingredients. Here they are. I have carrots here, but it's size kind of small, so I prepared two. But if you use size bigger one, just a third is enough. And then stalk of green onion and cucumber. Cucumber also I will going to use maybe half of it. And then pickled radish. And then this is braised burdock. And I have here egg, spinach, and sesame seed. Little bit salt, minced garlic, cooking oil. You can use any types of cooking oil, vegetable oil, canola oil, corn oil, bean oil, but don't use that olive oil. Olive oil kind of a flavor too strong for this one, so just use normal cooking oil. And then here is sesame oil, but this is important. Don't miss this one, okay? Don't skip this one, sesame oil. And I have here seaweed for kimbap. And then you can get it any Korean market, Asian market, but this is just for kimbap. Okay, let's start. This is a mandolin that you can buy in the Asian market. You must be careful because the blade is quite sharp. I prepare using my knife. I can make the same slice, and for me, it's just as fast. Now, let's cut the cucumber. I will use half and cut into slice. The size should be about 1/8 of an inch, just like the prepared radish and burdock. We chop the green onion into small pieces. Now let's prepare the fried eggs that will go into the kimbap. Mix 3 eggs with a little salt, strain the eggs, use a little oil and fry. A rectangle like this is best, but a circle will work just fine. Flip over the other side and then cook completely. Fry the carrots with a little garlic and salt. Fry it until it gets soft. Boil some water with a little salt. The salt is good to keep nice green color. Blanch the spinach. After 30 seconds to 1 minute, then rinse in cold water. Cut the eggs into strips just like the other vegetables, or you can cut any size you want. Now let's prepare the spinach. Squeeze out the water. Add the chopped green onions and sesame oil, and then sesame seeds and salt. Now mix it. Now let's make the rice. Start by heating some oil at high heat. Rice, add the salt, sesame seeds, and minced garlic. If you like a sweet flavor, you can add sugar. Then pour the oil on the garlic. The heat the oil will cook the garlic and infuse the rice with a wonderful flavor. Now let's wrap kimbap by hand. Take a handful of rice around like this and spread evenly. Just leave a half inch on just one side. Add the strips of egg, burdock, cucumber, blanched spinach, fried carrot, and pickled radish. Then roll like this. Use a little rice to seal the end. You can also spread a little bit of water on the seaweed to seal. Now let's try the bamboo seed. It is a little easier to roll, but I don't think you will need the guide when you get used to rolling by hand. Add everything same way as last time. Either method you choose, the important thing is to squeeze the kimbap hard so the rice stick together and it won't fall apart. Spread a little sesame oil on the outside. I prefer put sesame oil on the outside, but not in my rice to reduce strong flavor. Sesame oil here makes kimbap shiny and easy to cut. Now let's cut into slices. Use a sharp knife with a little oil to help the slicing. Look at this. You can see many colors: yellow of radish and egg, brown of burdock, green of spinach, and orange of carrot. Kimbap is a perfect food, contains all the vegetables I like. It's so nutritious and healthy, plus it's convenient to carry in your lunchbox and eat with your hands. If the kimbap is over a day old, then the rice becomes hard. So I will show you a way to make it yummy again. Mix egg, salt, and pepper. Then put a light coat of cornstarch on the outside of kimbap and dip in the egg mix. Fry for a few minutes, and then kimbap is as fresh as the first day.
짜잔!
Look at this one. Look at how beautiful. I always say all my cooking just say beautiful, beautiful, but this is truly so beautiful. You don't think so? Look at this one. It's time for me to try. And then I have here kimchi, and then spice sauce, mayonnaise, and pickled radish. So I will going to try each of them with kimbap. There are many different sauces that goes well with the kimbap. If you want more salt, you can try this with a mix of mayonnaise and soy sauce. I also like to kimbap with the yellow mustard because of the sour taste. On the side, you can also have maybe condiment like this pickled radish or maybe hot pepper. Yes, let me try. I will try with mayonnaise a little bit. Don't have to say anything, just try it. And then after kimbap, you cannot finish one meal. Next morning it will be maybe rice a little hard and taste not as good just made. I told you how to make this one, right? This one also very good. Try it. If you like kimbap, please leave me a comment about what you like to see inside. This one is a common vegetable kimbap. You can find in any restaurant in Seoul, but you can put tuna, meat, seafood, or other vegetable, anything you can put inside. So please leave a comment. Let me know. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you.